In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an animated underline right inside of Adobe After Effects. So let's get into it. So once you're inside of Adobe After Effects and you have a brand new composition created, we first want to begin by just adding some text. So we'll just press the T icon, we'll select the monitor, and we'll just type out anything that you like. So we're just going to type out Brooker Films for now. We'll change the font to that, and we'll just increase the size. Now I'm just going to drop this roughly in the middle, and now we can move on to the animated underline. So from here, you want to go into Layer, New, Solid, and now in the color section of this, you want to select the color of your underline. So I'm just going to select white to match the text, but of course you can set this to whatever you like. And as you can see, that is going to fill the screen. So we're just going to go into Scale by pressing S. We're going to unlink the scale by pressing the Constrain Proportions button. So we'll unlink that. And as you can see, we've got one on the left and one on the right. So we're going to pull this one on the left all the way down to around 44 because it's roughly the same width of the text. If you've got different text, then of course it's going to look different. It's going to be a different number. And then we'll move down to the second number and we'll pull 100 down to 2. Now we'll press P on the keyboard to load position and we'll drag the position underneath the text. Now, as you can see, that's pretty much perfect. That's a pretty much perfect underline, but it's a touch too long. So we'll press S to bring up scale again, and we'll change this down to 42. That's still a touch too long, so we'll change that to 40. And that's slightly off-centered. As you can see, that's not quite lining up with the B. So we'll press P again, making sure the white solid is selected, and we'll move this a touch over to the right. So there you go. You can see we've created this really awesome underline, but at the moment it's just static. There is no animation. So how do we animate this underline? Well, to begin with, you want to select that white box. So we'll select white solid 1. We'll go into the rectangle tool, and we'll just create a rectangle mask around that underline. Now we're just going to drag the cursor maybe 1 or 2 seconds to the right. We'll go into mask 1, select the drop down arrow, and we'll create a brand new keyframe on mask path. Now we'll pull the cursor back to the very beginning. We'll select our normal cursor again, so make sure the rectangle tool is not selected. And then we'll just select these 2 points of the mask. So we'll select these 2 points on the right, and we'll just pull them over to the left. And now if we play this back, you can see that underline is animating on. Of course though, if you want this to be smooth, if you want this to be a smooth animation, then all you have to do is select both keyframes, right click selecting one of them, go down to Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease. This is your keyframe interpolation, and this is basically adding a slow accelerate and deaccelerate in and out of the keyframes. So rather than suddenly starting and then aggressively stopping at the key points, it's slowly coming in and out of those points. It looks much more natural and it looks a lot nicer. And there you go. That is how you create an underline animation right inside of Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you on the next video. See you there.